how to get Netflix on the Nintendo Switch 2. Here's what you want to do. First, you have to go into your system settings. And once you click on system settings, we want to go and select internet, then internet settings. Now from here, you want to find your internet network. So we're just going to find our network, click on it, and then change settings. We will change the DNS settings, so scroll down until you see DNS settings and change it to manual. And you want to type this for the primary DNS, 045.055.142.122. Okay, and save your settings. Now we want to connect to the network, and it's going to tell us that we don't have an internet connection, but that's fine. Look at this. So we're going to do network device. Okay, so now it's going to load up this page, and from here we want to select go to Google, and from the Google page here, as you can see, we can use the search bar to search for Netflix. So we're just going to do that. Oops. So Netflix, click on it. Alright, done. Okay, and search. And you can click on Netflix here at the top. What this is going to do is load up the Netflix page. It might take a little bit of time, but basically here you just sign in. So click on sign in, and that's how you do it. Once you sign into your account, you should be able to use it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.